Welcome back to this lecture. I'm Amir Babazadeh, and in this lecture I want to teach you how to install Git Bash on Windows operating system. Well, I'm opening my browser and here writing Git Bash. Then go to git-scm.com website. On the left side you see macOS version, Windows and Linux version of Git Bash bot. On the right side you see a Windows version of Git Bash and its latest version is 2.30. Click on download, and in here the download will automatically start. I hope so. Automatically start. Yeah, click on download. I'm pausing the video till download finish, and I will come after download finish. Well, download finished, and I've run the Git Bash installer. So in here you just have to click on install, and Git Bash installing process will automatically start, and that's it. You don't need do any more. I won't click on install because I've already installed Git Bash on my system, so I'm clicking on cancel and opening my Git Bash. As you see, you can run Linux commands on your Windows operating system. For example, clear ls for seeing contents of a directory, or cd for go to a directory, into a directory, for example bin or back, these things. I hope you enjoy from this lecture. Please subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Take care. Goodbye.